What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I haven't done a crypto market update in quite some time, but I wanted to talk about where the crypto market is and the truth about cryptocurrency. I think this is something that a lot of people will not tell you if you are outside or inside the cryptocurrency market. So, before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I have a link for a Patreon, for Twitter, for Margex. If you guys want to sign up for that platform, it does help out the channel. They are a partner with the channel, and we'll get into that in a little bit during this video. But the reason why I wanted to create this video was just because, one, I haven't done a market update in quite some time, and looking at the entire market, looking at things that are trending, looking at things that are in the top 100, maybe outside the top 100, whatever. Um, and I also, haven't really kept up on a lot of the news outside of just like XRP and things that I'm holding, right? So let's go ahead and dive into this. I think we should start with any news that is out here and, just going over the titles and what's going on there because it's great to maybe understand different pieces of it. So, billionaire Mark Cuban issues crazy Bitcoin price prediction. I guess amid like the wild movement that we have seen, settlement speculation pushes XRP to the forefront of a crypto rally. That was 2 days ago, and we understood that the meeting that was supposed to happen did not happen. It was canceled, but you still have the even talks of it, and a lot of people believing that they didn't. It wasn't necessary because a settlement was reached before even having any closed meeting. And also, even if XRP was invited to that meeting, that's something that hasn't really been talked about. You also have, $305 price prediction or price target for XRP that we can get into maybe a little bit later. You have a lot that's going on with the with Ryan, the CEO of how do you say that, Messer, after civil war and anti immigrant tweets. So you have some crypto news that's happening there. Any more news that's worthwhile? You have Nigerian crypto star out on bail following police detention. That's always something that's big whenever you have anybody in crypto that does have some negativity towards crypto. They like to push that. Ethereum ETFs start trading Tuesday. Here's what you need to know. Now, this is pretty big, right? Because seeing that you have Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, that's a big part of why we could see Ethereum move, cryptocurrency move in general. Winklevoss twins donate 1 million in Bitcoin to support Senator Warren's pro crypto challenger. Anybody that's for crypto, right? There's going to be a lot of money that's flowing into there from crypto. Anybody that's against it, you're going to see a lot of money that's flowing against them, right? That's just how that goes. And I believe Senator Warren has always been, against cryptocurrency. Now, there's a lot of news that's out here, and I think you guys should try and stay informed. I try to, but it's very tough to do that at times. But I will try to do that for you guys so that you guys have a bunch of information here. If we look at the crypto market overall, we're currently standing at a $2.42 trillion market cap, which is great compared to where we were at a $1.99 trillion market cap not too long ago. So seeing it drop down so far and now starting to pick up a little bit, I was able to capture a lot of cryptocurrency at those low levels, whether that's through, just owning it outright or buying it through leverage trading, which has always been great for me. But currently, Bitcoin is up at a $66,000 price point. Ethereum almost at a $3,500 price point. You have BNB that's almost up to $600, up 3%. Solana is almost up to 170, up 3.5%. XRP is up 6.8%, almost at a 59-cent price. 14% for the last 7 days. Dogecoin is up by 6% or 15% for the last 7 days. If you scroll down here, you're going to have Shiba Inu that's also up by 2.9%. Let's see, scroll down. Litecoin that's up by 3.5%. I want to see that rise a lot more just because I have a lot of Litecoin that I own outright, as well as Margex trades. You have Pepe that's up by 5.4%, up to a $5 billion market cap, up 38.9%. Funny thing is, I was going to put through a Margex trade. I did put through a 25x leverage for like $10 or $15 just to see how far I can get with that. I thought it was at a low point. Ended up going a little bit lower. I got liquidated within that, lost to $15. But even within that, in that same day, it ended up picking up to a way higher level and then continued to rise as we saw everything pick up, which I was a little bit upset about. I was like, I missed it by like that much. If I would have just done my 25x leverage at the level, the second level, I was going to put through another one, but I said, no, I'll just keep compounding losses if I do that. But honestly, I would have gained a heck of a lot if I would have done that. So, coulda, shoulda, woulda. But either way, it's up by 38% over the last 7 days. You're seeing Internet Computer up by 7% or 8% today, 25% for the last 7 days. I did make money with ICP as well. But let's go ahead and look at the ones that are moving the most in the market, right? SCI is up by 15%. You're going to see Ordi that's up by 14%. Bonk that's up by 10%. Celestia up by about 9%. That's up to a $6.66 price. That was up to $20 at one point. So seeing that down at that low, I mean, it's kind of understandable with their circulating supply. However, they haven't really, from what I understand, added much circulating supply. It just has decreased in the price. You also have Jasmine Coin that's up by 23% over the last 7 days, 7% for the last day, the last 24 hours. I do want to take some time to, if you guys want to start trading with Margex, feel free to use my link down below. I have two things, right? You can sign up for Margex and you can start copy trading, which I do have a copy trading strategy. I have 13 people that are following me right now, a total of 5,000 that's invested by everybody. But then my portion that I put into it was about $2,000. I'll continue to add more to it just because I want to remain with that strategy, not only open, but also continuing to thrive as time goes on. And right now they say you can make money in a bull market, but what's tough is making money in a bear market. And that's what I want to be able to do. But in the bear market, it's going to be less of holding for the long period of time. It's going to be more of just spurts of trading here and there, and mostly it's going to be short trading at when the bear market does happen. But yeah, right now within this, if you guys want to join it, I'm currently up $436 in profit. The last 24 hours is $149 worth of profit, and we're sitting at an ROI or ROE of 48.33% as of right now. If you look at some of the followers, some followers like this follower has gained $96, $53, $42 here in profits, and I typically will take profits. I'm really conservative with this strategy. And there's some people that have lost a little bit of money depending on when you get into it. But ultimately, my goal is obviously to get everybody to be able to make a decent amount of money and return a huge return on their investment. And I want to get this up to not only 400, but 4,000 and 40,000 and 400,000. I want to get it to that point where we're making a hell of a lot there. But it all comes conservatively. I have a couple of investments right now that are all positive. Up by $75, $46, $79, $104 here as we have these plays that are out here, and currently have like 2,000 that's sitting there. I will invest conservatively. It's not going to be something that everything gets invested all at once because I don't want everything to have that chance to be liquidated. I want to make sure that investment money is safe. But then you could also invest in your own positions, and I do that as well, which I invest a little bit more aggressively. And you can see here that a lot of these are up, 2,000%, 100%, 225%, 336%, and so on and so forth, right? Always looking to invest, always looking to gain more, whether it's with Jasmine Coin or it's with XRP. So feel free to check out my link for Margex. You can trade up to 50 or up to 100x leverage on trades and as little as 5x leverage. And if you want a breakdown on that, feel free to go on Patreon and talk to me about it. We can talk about what leverage trading is and everything there. But the cryptocurrency market, if we look at things that are trending right now, We have most visited, obviously Bitcoin Cat coin is up there as well. It's sitting at a $14.7 million market cap. You have Land Wolf that's up by well, actually up by 11% in the last 24 hours, but $87 million market cap. I do want to see what is trending. Um, uh, in the last day, what's trending? You have Pixelverse, which is currently at a 42. This is self-reported $42 million market cap. Anytime you do see things that are trending, you want to make sure that you are that things are legit, that things look good within that play, because just because it's trending doesn't mean that it is the most legit cryptocurrency that's out there. It just means that you need to do your research, and maybe there's a solid reason as to why it is trending, right? You have Bitcoin, you have Pepe, that's number 5, you have Solana, that's number 6, that's up 20% in the last 7 days. So you have some pretty trendy projects here if you want to go into there and check those out. But right now, the cryptocurrency market is in a great spot. Fantastic spot, honestly. Up by 3.4%, or 3.34%. And we have the Bitcoin or the Ethereum ETFs that are coming. We have the Bitcoin ETFs that are still out here. We have the conversation for an XRP ETF and how that's next in line, and Solana and all of those. So the cryptocurrency market looks phenomenal, feels phenomenal, and I can't wait to see all of these people that make so much money out of the cryptocurrency market. Now, to end with this video, the truth about cryptocurrency is the fact that cryptocurrency is it's very speculative for a lot of people. And I think when it comes to holding cryptocurrency and believing in cryptocurrency and seeing cryptocurrency thrive, like the bull market or the bear market was tough. It was very, very tough. And seeing this bullish momentum for a lot of people is great. But it's about the longevity. It's about holding on to that position for a long time, especially through the tough times. It's like if you, in everybody's life, we all go through tough times. I've gone through tough times as a child, and I'm happy that it did happen then, rather than being a tough time now. um, and when you have those tough times, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel as long as you're fighting, as long as you're still moving forward. There are people that are having tough times and they don't see that light at the end of the tunnel. They just see what's happening right now, and it gets very depressing. And I understand where they're coming from, but we have to find a way to see that light at the end of the tunnel. And for cryptocurrency, that light is getting progressively bigger. It's getting much larger every day that we see newer news, we see newer things that are happening, newer ETFs and newer adoption. And I'm excited about the future. I really am. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.